So Color Yourself Confident is giving women the tools to discover who they are first.
That's deep.
Giving you the tools to define what self-confidence actually means to you, because you can't get to the development stage if you don't even know what's the goal. You don't even know what it looks like, especially if the image that you've been seeing this whole time has been a distorted image, so to speak.
Of self, right?
Yes. From those two examples I gave, did that child hear that growing up? Is that why? Oh, I don't want my hair nappy. Did a parent tell them that? You know what I mean? Somebody did. So with Color Yourself Confident, helping you to understand where that thought process and wrong thinking came from.
Kind of rewired people's minds.
Right. How do we redefine some of those things, and then me giving you the tools to help you develop your confidence, develop your whole inner self to become the person that you ultimately were created to be.
Right.
So getting to the heart of the issue, and because self-confidence is an inner, beauty is inside out. It's not all this stuff, it's the heart. That's where your confidence issues, that's where they start.
Right.
That's where the wrong thinking or whatever we've been told, it's embedded in the heart. Because it's in there, it affects how we think. It doesn't start here, it starts here. You tell me something that, just think when someone tells you something that hits your emotions from a negative standpoint. First place you feel it, right? As soon as they say it, you feel it.
You feel the heart skip a beat.
Yeah. And then because of what you felt, the thoughts are triggered. Oh, I must not be good enough. I must not look, appealing enough. Or whatever. It starts there.
Yeah, because I think that's insane how you're born with a certain texture of hair, and you think changing it to look like somebody else is going to be beneficial to you. Like it's like you're masking your true self.
Mm-hmm.
You're hiding away from your true identity. That's backwards.
Yeah.
Inside out, upside down, and
Yeah.
backwards.
Yeah.
So you're helping people discover the true nature of themselves.
Yeah.
Bringing that out.
Yeah. Yeah. And I had a client some years ago, and she said to me, "You don't know how much you helped me just by you being you." And I was like, huh? Right? And so she said it again, and I was just like, wow. I said, what she just said, like, I literally was just being myself. And actually she said, because you were okay with just being you. So I always tell people three things I ain't never wanted or wanted to be. I ain't never wanted to be tall. I never wanted to be light skinned, and I ain't never wanted to have long hair. This is the most hair I've had in 25 years, right? So I've never not wanted to be
Anything outside of yourself.
anything outside of myself. I never wanted to be anything that was not the way God already created me to be. Now, just like anybody else, do I like things that enhances what I am, what He gave me, what I have? We all do. But I never wanted to be something other than me. This is who I am. Period. And I want other people to have that same experience.